How should you structure your Amazon PPC campaigns? If you're a little lost or not sure what to do, in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up the structure that works best for most campaigns and will hopefully help you lead to more sales and success on Amazon. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so starting off, we're going to start with a few rules for each campaign. One, we're going to do one ASIN/SKU per campaign. We're going to do one match type per campaign. And what I mean by match type is we're not going to mix things like exact, broad, phrase together. Exact is going to be in its own campaign, broad is going to be in its own campaign, and phrase is going to be in its own campaign, etc., etc. So one match type per campaign, and then we're going to do a maximum of 5 keywords or product targets per campaign as well. Now this is for general campaigns where the strategy is mainly efficiency and profitability. You're just running these campaigns as normal. It's not for ranking or anything like that. For ranking campaigns, I'm going to show you after the general campaigns. Okay, so here I've created a visual to help you kind of understand how to set these campaigns up. So you can see here that this is campaign 1, campaign 2, 3, 4, 5. So for campaign 1, we're going to do exact match. It has one ad group and one product ad, like one ASIN. You can put one FBA and one FBM SKU for the same ASIN if you need to, but I'd recommend just using FBA because FBM doesn't convert as well. And then you can see here that we have 5 exact match keywords. So the match type is exact match. So we're going to use those 5 keywords in there. Next campaign, broad match. It's the same pattern. This campaign is set up for broad match only. It's one ad group, one ASIN, and then 5 broad match keywords for that campaign. And then we're going to do this for phrase match. We're going to do this for exact match ASIN targeting and expanded ASIN targeting. Just 5 per campaign. Trust me, it works wonders. Now, a little tip with broad match is if you're starting to lose control of ACOS or you just want to control your account a little bit more, use broad modified. What is broad modified? It means, let's say you have the keyword red dog leash. So usually you just put in the keyword red dog leash. But with broad modified is what you're going to do is put a plus symbol before each word. So it would be plus red, plus dog, plus leash. So red dog leash plus symbol before each word. What is this doing? It's telling Amazon that the keyword that it's looking for or appears for needs to contain all 3 of those words. It will just help control things a little bit more because broad can get a little bit crazy and it starts going all over the place. So why do we want to use this campaign structure? The main reason is control. With 5 keywords or 5 product targets per campaign, you have more control. Later on, once you get a little more advanced, you can play with the placement settings like top of search, product pages, etc. And with 5 keywords, there's a lot more control with those placements as well because you're only handling 5. Any more than 5 and you start messing with your settings and things get a little bit messy and out of control and you can't really focus in on what you're trying to do or achieve. So using 5 per campaign is the best strategy that I've seen. I mean, you can go up to 10, but honestly, just stick with 5. So for example, if you have campaign exact match and you put in 5 exact match keywords, that campaign is complete. And then let's say you have another 5 keywords you want to do, create a brand new campaign, okay? Then for ranking, let's say there's a specific keyword that you want to go after. You want to rank higher and you want to push for this. So this is a keyword that you're going to expect a higher ACOS on because the plan is to push hard on it. So for ranking campaigns, we're going to do single keyword exact match campaigns. So it's the same, it's similar. It's one campaign, one ad group, still one ASIN, but the only difference of this is one, we're only going to use one exact match keyword, the keyword that you're going after, the desired keyword. So red dog leash, put that in, that's it. That's the only keyword. And then another thing you can do is set the top of search placement to 50%. So this is going to help that keyword or your product appear in the top half of the search results. So for the bid, you want to be a little more aggressive. So whatever the suggested bid is, almost double it. I mean, you could go just a little bit higher than if you wanted to, but if you want to be aggressive, just double it. It doesn't mean it's going to spend that much. It just means you're probably going to hit the maximum bid for that keyword, the CPC. So this is the structure that I would use. If you have any other questions, please comment below. But I try to keep this video as simple as possible because it doesn't need to be complicated. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Thank you for watching.